All right, happy Wednesday. Today we are talking about more power theorems, and these involve segments created inside and outside the circle. On Monday we did chords, and today we're going to do secants, and secant tangents. Okay, so what I need you to understand for this particular thing is when you have a secant, we're going to talk about part of it being outside, and that's the part from a point to the circle, and then we're going to talk about the whole, and that's the whole secant length. Whoops, hopefully I'm not writing outside. And then here is outside, and then the whole secant. Okay, so the equation that becomes true here is that the outside times the whole will be equal to the outside times the whole of the other secant. So if we were to use letters, that would be AB times AC will equal AD times AE. So that's one of the big ideas of the day. And that is, the reason for that is because if you were to draw in these segments here and here, you would create similar triangles. This angle would be congruent. It would be in both this triangle and in this triangle. And then these angles here would be congruent because they're inscribed angles intercepting the same arc. And then if you have two angles congruent in the triangle, you'll definitely have the third angles congruent, and then this you'll have similar triangles. So that's the reasoning. Okay, now we get to do some problems that use that.